Hi there guys, in today's video with VinylCut, we'll be looking at the trace image preview output settings. Just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here, so just a reminder, this is a series we're doing on the image, the trace image tool. So if we don't cover everything in this video, we do cover in other videos. We'll add some links in the description so you can follow the series with. Otherwise, to locate it, we go to our trace tool here. And then, like I mentioned, we'll be covering the output preview settings here on the right. So let's first quickly select our image we want to trace. So now our first option on top here is we have the show nodes. So as you can see, after we've done the update preview, this one you might have to sometimes click, sometimes the auto does it. So just remember, if you make changes, click update preview. Then back to the show nodes. So if we can see here, we've got the cutout line. So now if we select show nodes, we can see the editable points for the shape. So afterwards, if you want to edit the shape and so forth, this is how many, this is where the point's going to be, and also the amount. So if you change the detail, the smoothness, this amount will change. So let's, for instance, make the smoothness, update this. Now you can see we've lost some nodes here, so that means it's using less nodes to get a similar result, just a bit smoother. So that's where you can keep an eye on that. Next up here, we've got the show source image. Now this is handy if you have a detailed image like this and you want to see the cut lines. So if we have the slider all the way to the right, we're seeing just the image, and as you can see, the cut lines is a little bit hard to see it. And then as we navigate this to the left, it will slowly start fading out our actual image. So you just have a green backdrop just about. So you can use the slider to find a good balance where you can make sure your cut lines is right. And then next up we have our zoom in and zoom out features. So we've got the zoom in, the zoom out, and then this one fits the image to the canvas. So zoom to fit. So if we zoom in a bit, then we can use these little sliders here for setting your vertical and horizontal position. So if you're fine-tuning things, you can use them. And we have the zoom out, and then if we click this one, zoom to fit, it will fit our graphics again to our preview canvas. Next up, we've got here on the edit mode, we've got crop and draw mask. The draw mask you can isolate or add to the mask. With a crop, you can isolate what you want to be cut, and then you have the reset option on the top right here. You can reset the mask. That does not reset the crop, it just resets the mask. So if we let's say we want to crop just the head, then we click OK here, and you will see it makes us a layer of just the head. We go to the preview options now, you can see it's only going to cut out the head. So yeah, that is the settings on the preview output for trace image. We just head to our website here. If you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys can find this video and more videos like it. We also have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we have a search option here if you want to isolate your search. Then if you don't find what you're looking for, you can also say request a training video, then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.